yeah your terms be a secret acron for on we no not what turning up I will say we and that's what the NDC is doing and that's what they are engaging in. I'm telling you. Who work or sign agreement with a company no end starting executive agreement no. Power minister that time I was signing the same contract no. Within 1 year I was setting up Dr. Ahinkura committee in September 2016. Someone can review ne yenhwe se ade no eye papa na say papa. Wa wo say Mahama jitu mu say papa nti en sign. Was sign nipa ni start adwuma. Na was sign for committee the power minister na Ojina ho sign on behalf of Ghana. No?
We didn't.
Dr. Ahinkura committee was set up in September 2016.
It's not our committee. I spoke to Dr. John Jinapor. He said he doesn't remember setting up that committee.
John Jinapor was on Joy FM last Saturday and said that they set up
he
that
said
committee.
He doesn't remember.
What? What? So another maker said, "On where we no. No, attend here because Krofo."
Yeah. So in private, no catcher and say he doesn't remember.
Exactly.
But in public,
but he publicly was saying, your friend said, "I'm gonna set up that committee in September 2016." Committee ni ye na juma extended because technical people technical people ni ye obibi awie no. Omu wie that time na abaya sesa. And on be the bed dying, that time energy minister. Se contract na parliament approve ya ye sign. Sa contract no ye hwe no excess power ebedoso. And a cost no so ni na keka ho no ye mfa nya hwe. Enti yan cancel firo. Eti yan cancel firo no. And a boeche jako e de call parliament. And a parliament approve. In August 2018, and Parliament, but Chajako terminated that contract because Parliament actually said, I will terminate a year, and the committee no say, yen terminate. It was terminated. And in your problem, because Tama terminated in 2018. And Crofono started put to the challenge of arbitration somewhere around 2020. Omoye BBA. Na you know your friends say solicitors na ye kofa omo friend Omnia Strategy LLP or ye Charlie Blair on ye lawyer ono na omo ene omo eko back and forth and na ye can say on put challenge in March. Some match and when Timian put that challenge in the 7th March, 8th March, 7th March no can say omo e kura na enye yenti escam. So attention na o he. Where was the Attorney General, current Attorney General? Oh, on started a Juma in the same match now.
I mean, so Attorney General was part of it.
He started work in the same match. He
was part of it.
Because
that's you did 10 minutes. Awal more
in 2017.
This time, 2017.
So when did we abrogate that contract?
Of the contract.
The Bain abrogated that contract.
Yes, August that year.
August that
I mean, so
it was August in 2018. The Parliament terminated. August 2018. Into our hand. And the arbitration. When did they start the arbitration? In 2020. Early February. And a lot your friends say you really buy. By March, you could find lawyers. Omnia Strategy LLP. Charlie Blair and the lawyer, lead lawyer. And was some excuses were made by them. Our lawyers.
Excuses were made by them.
Our lawyers, because Ghana GOG lawyers.
There was Professor Waker, panel.
They say law firm you do omukoya yetu amukaso omunyeno. They gave all these excuses, and yet the current Attorney General. Edu on the 7th, F9 I was say extending cross say onyeno on the 7th for throw letter the brag government of Ghana say ukoya arbitration ye because Ghana ya lose case, and that was it. So ene so wakoye we nyina wie de odi ahwe de baaye no ono na de once na baaye wan ko sign contract fo anka wan ko tena se kwa ankoye
allow him
wako sign contract fo wa within 1 year nipa no kran start contract no si wonyai because what set up committee say njai ene problem aba odi subo no bo obi a ono no ni nsanim ni nanim no what's it take or pay you say before assign take or pay inti yenso se Mahama assign take or pay a enye bibia Mahama anka Ghana na japade a ono a o se oye ni business a obesign take or pay maku be 30 something aye nim say o say oh Ghana here excess because ebia ono ni air condition be 4 and 5 ene Ghana ye peak demand say nya kania no obi asoso ni bibia be 8 o'clock anajo ososo bibia peak demand 2800 megawatts into 3000 megawatts ya sign copy be 5000 megawatts ene ya kan ye dey e to e o say Ghana for me na wote asante afiase eti ase se ye to kania no ya nyusu kania no ti se obi akofa generator aba na se ya generator ni nyina agufie ha ye yusu generator no ya nyusu ebetua ho ka sa contract na mo ko sign maku 33 eye ono ni business na wo ya obesa yi no ensu kom deal na me say eye ono ni business a obesa sa contract no abra hu hia bebre sa
awa kasa sa da nko
me say hia bebre sa because the peak demand
Awal nim say yeti B5 work bonkata
me say ene yawo ene
you know they are operating at 30% capacity because they don't have the extra power B5 work bonkata ba so they don't have and you are telling sitting here saying your excess power
me say ene obia eka ni nyina abu mu
Don wouldn't see you so
yeah sure
even today we still
and you are saying
we
that
still do it
and you are saying
we
that
still do it.
excess power no munya business man
and so if you are looking at prosecution where should we point hands?
Those
to the
who
NDC, those who signed the contract.
What signed contract?
Not those who abrogated the contract.
Your friends, a committee in the council abrogated the contract.
Yeah.
And even he didn't do it arbitrary.
Okay.
And you say, be out in a fiano sign. Chemu, one year, sir, or parliament. Edgy to me for parliament. Emma parliament, NDC, MPP, Kabo Muka say Chemu. And oh, Chemu. Was I yan transport on tongue? Or kofa kapa reference sa commander commander analysis no commander sugar factory analysis no say yes factory no wie later na yakope raw materials aba when we say who person o transport
be held responsible for the cancellation
who person o ton kania na ukoye nhihye wie ekofa ba ansa na waton
all right
who be take or pay na say obi baba be take here very necessary. Excess capacity very necessary. Say a benya dudu na say a behia later no. Very very important. But obanyansa for sign contract na o can say there be generators in mehia for be si ho. Say mitimi eyusu a metua ho ka man yusu o dey si ho. Eno na nanka wo say ye. You buy any assessment bebre from sa take or penny say who you so when you so to say bia wo ko ye your friends are you from wo ko ye from na wo ko ebedru fie nko dia where you so who you so 3 days and 4 days sa na we enu te na make tell say
one district one factory power ben no use
ye be yes your friends say one district one factory
power ben
we
power ben no be district factory
first thing I say the compare farmers in your friends say, "Emma must start a plantation."
Okay.
And son of Usi we are.
All right.
Something were a joke, so I don't just. Yeah, no.
He's a joke.
Oh, David. You see, when you want to do a civil society organization, now clearly, say you are a sympathizer of a political party. You have defeated the purpose of your own. Your friends, a civil society.
Oh, Sanot,
yes, ASEPA.
Oh, yeah, sympathizer of the party.
NDC, and he has been on NDC platforms, championing for NDC. Say, oh, moi, na bibiba, no abejina baby, I can say,